Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just actually finished cleaning both of my bathrooms, so that will be the video you guys watch before this. But I thought I'll just go ahead and vlog here and there, maybe this whole weekend. I'm not really sure. I am like dying of sweat, so I'm about to go take a shower. Yeah, I did want to quickly show you guys. I got some Crocs. They were finally on sale. They were like having a site-wide 50% off and then like an additional 15 if you like freshly are new to the website. Yes, I have toothpaste in my hand. Let me quickly show you. You guys, are you kidding me? I got my husband a size 12. Mine are a size 7. And my daughters are a size 8. I didn't size up for my husband, but I sized up for me and my daughter. Just so that we can have matching Crocs. And my sister-in-law actually got her little Disney light up Croc charms, which I can't wait to put them on them. Again, they fit her big, so I kind of want to wait to put them on them. Because then she's going to want to go outside with them, and I'm not ready for that yet because they're a little bit big. And then I got my husband some The Office ones. I hate The Office, but he absolutely loves that show, so I got him some of those. I haven't decided what kind I want. I kind of want Harry Potter. I did make an order on Temu for some, so let's see how they look when they come in. But my daughter and husband's are actually Croc brand. Not that it really matters. I don't think it matters. I don't know. I'm not a Croc expert. But yeah, let me go ahead and shower so that I can feel a lot better. It feels so good to take a shower. Not really, I mean, I like this shirt, but I don't think I'm gonna wear this to cook. My hair's still a hot mess. I don't think I'm even gonna fix it unless we go somewhere, which I doubt, because my husband is still at home. He has a long work day today. And I really need to see what I'm going to eat. I made turkey ground beef fried rice, and I forgot to film. And I forgot I was filming, and I cleaned already. I'm chilling for a little bit. My mom's still here with my daughter. My husband just got home, and it's actually pretty late, so I served him food already. So he can eat as soon as he comes upstairs. I'm probably not gonna do anything because I'm pretty sure he's tired. Tomorrow we are going to my sister-in-law's house. She just texted me, so I'll probably film that as well. I'm so sorry. My mom is so loud. So this is the bad angle because of the lighting, but yeah, so these are both like lift up. They're electric. I'm like so happy. We still gotta find out what we're gonna do with that table, my daughter's toy. And then this one and that one. You guys, like, I am obsessed with the way it looks now. Can't wait to kind of see what it looks like with the Christmas tree there. Yeah, we'll see. I feel like it makes my living room just look so much bigger. Not gonna lie, I kind of love that I could just be like chill and put my legs. Oh wait, this goes up too. I don't like that. My husband does, but I don't. And then I could just like lift my feet up. Like, who am I? Okay, let me stop. But I love it. I'm so happy with them. And probably my daughter's favorite feature, of course, right, is this part. She doesn't realize that this comes up yet though. Good. But these lights, she knows, and she's always sitting here and just like pushing the buttons. But yeah, I am obsessed. So funny story, my grandma and grandpa actually sold them to us. We loved them when we saw them at her house. And I literally told my husband, because my grandma's house is actually smaller than ours, I was like, those sofa size is perfect for our living room. Because when we were looking, we couldn't find any like this that were small enough. They were all huge. So when it was random, my mom was like, your grandma wants to sell her couches because they don't find them comfortable. So I was like, I want them. And then they gave us a price, and I told my husband, and I kept having to convince him. And I finally convinced them, and yeah, these are it. I feel bad because him and his dad did not have fun putting them inside the house, but it was easy to sell our other sofas, thank goodness. But yeah, I'm so happy we had them. I feel like they just look nice and clean now. All right, guys, so it is now time for bed. I like having my daughter in bed by 8:30. It is 8:40. So yeah, we're a little behind. I did want to show you guys, I got these lashes and I think I'm gonna try them tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. Anyways, I'm gonna take off my face. It looks like I might actually get lucky. I might be able to wash my face. But I'm not gonna go in the bathroom because I think if I do that, she'll get upset and know that it's time for bed and she'll want me right away. So I'm gonna wash it in the sink and the kitchen. And you guys know I actually keep a cleanser there for just moments like this. All right, that feels so much better. So yes, I double cleansed today. All right, so I'm using the Bad by Under Eye. I've been using this for a really long time. And I always put it right here as well. And then I'm going to apply some hyaluronic acid. I'm just doing this for the video because I normally don't do it like that. I'm not lying. It is what it is. Baby, I was so much more gentle. Now it's just like, hurry up. I feel like I'm absolutely horrible. And it's like, I look so green. I mean, I'm olive, but I look so green. Alright guys, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Currently leaving my sister-in-law's house and completely forgot to vlog. The joys of vlogging and forgetting. Sorry guys, I totally failed today. All right, so now we are home. I am actually going to take everything out from the bin there from my sister-in-law's house, and I'm gonna get my daughter's stuff ready to take her shower. She woke up actually late today. She usually wakes up between 9 and 10. She woke up at 11, so I'm pretty sure she's gonna go to sleep around 10. Yeah, once you start messing up that cycle, you mess up that cycle. But it's actually okay. She does have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so I do want her in bed by 10. So my husband's actually having her outside water the grass. I need to put all this stuff away and clean up and get her stuff, clothes and stuff ready for her doctor's appointment tomorrow. Because right after that, we actually have to go to Target and I think Kohl's and something else to run some errands. So I gotta get a lot of things done in a very small amount of time. All right, so right now I'm putting all the dishes away that need to be put away. Cups, forks, spoon, you know, I honestly hate doing this. It's like my least favorite part. I've already just washed the dishes and they just magically get put away. Wouldn't that be nice, guys? Wouldn't that be nice? And right here I'm looking for PJs for my daughter and something that'll be easy for me to change her in the morning to go to her doctor's appointment. All right, guys, I'm calling it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi, guys. So I just filmed another video. That will be the next video you guys see. Yeah. So we actually ended up going this morning to my daughter's doctor's appointment. She did so good. I am beyond proud of her, and I'm just so proud of her. Like, I can't even tell you how proud I am of her. I was like ready to cry. Anyways, so yeah, we went to the doctor's appointment. Then we went to Walmart. Then we went to Kohl's, and then we went to Aldi, and then we ended up going to Olive Garden. I'll show you guys that right now really quickly. It was delicious. And then I came home, filmed a grocery haul, and here we are. I need to put everything away. But yeah, you guys, it was so good. I'm so happy that test results came out good and my baby's doing so good. I'm so proud of her. Anyways, so yeah. All right, it's time for me to put these groceries away, guys. Yeah, and throw away these bags and scan the receipts. Our new cute bag. It's actually for Foundation of Childhood Cancer. Aldi had it, and I thought it was the cutest bag ever. My husband actually picked it out. Nice. Let's put all this stuff away, guys. All right, guys, I'm going to call it a night. It isn't night yet. It's almost there. But I need to take a shower and get myself ready for bed. This shirt's really like not being my friend today. But I hope you guys enjoy this all over the place vlog. Again, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single one of you guys that subscribes and takes their time to comment. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.